Bro, me and my friend Terry right here, we're playing soccer, and like I kicked it up, yo, and I killed like bird. I killed the bird.
A baby bird.
Baby bird. Man, I feel so bad.
Yeah, he gonna drive. He gonna put it on the trailer though.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I killed a baby bird.
Actually, I did want to kill a baby bird.
Well, I didn't. I didn't want to kill it. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's disgusting, but it's nature. I mean, I didn't mean to kill it.
Baby.
I just kicked the ball, and it went high up in the tree. But I wasn't even.
Again. Just don't do it again, then.
See, look, I'll show you the bird nest. The bird nest is right there.
How long?
Right there. I feel so bad, guys. Sorry. Comment in the section below what you think about that, because I know how you guys will feel if you guys killed a baby bird. So I'm sorry, guys. So you can look at his death. I'm gonna bury it. In the memory. Where'd it go? Oh. In the memory of the baby bird. Sorry for the mama. As you can see right now, the mom's crying. You can hear something blinking. I bet she's gonna get.
That is not a mom. That was not a mom.
Well,
That was not a mom. That was just one baby kid. Ash.
well, as you can see, it must have been a brother or a sister, but
Actually,
it must have been a brother or a sister, and I feel bad for the other guy that's finna hatch, but you know, accidents happen. They make you stronger. So, guys, yeah, I'm really sad about that. But I know it was disgusting. I know it looked